Hello everybody, this is Terry Jeanette with the Tapping Flamingo. And I went to the mailbox and I got a package. I think I don't know what it is, but it sure got here really quick if it's what I think it is. All right, let's dig in and see what it is. Oh, I know what this is. Okay, I'm excited. All right, so I know I said, hello, this is Terry Jeanette from the Tapping Flamingo, but this is actually going to be put on my Be Creative channel. And the reason being is because of what's in this bag. I've been waiting for it for a long, long time. Look what we have here. We got a whole bunch. Let's see if I can open this up. Of these tiny little shirts for the Virtual Blythe Retreat that is going to be coming up in June. Now, we're going to put something on here, so stay tuned for that. And these are going to be in the goodie bags. So if you want to know more information about the Virtual Blythe Retreat, I will leave a link down in the description box below to my sister's channel where her and I have gotten together and have explained about it more. Also, I'll leave a link down in the description box below for you to go check out our Facebook group. That is free. You do not have to pay to be a part of that group. It's called Blythe. Let me think. We just changed the name of it. Blythe Buddies? Blythe? Wait a minute. It's called Blythe Doll Buddies. And we do a lot of really fun things over there and talk about the Virtual Blythe Retreat that Tammy and I have hosted for 2 years now. So this will be our 3rd year. So I hope you go check out our page and check out Tammy's channel so you can see exactly what the Virtual Blythe Retreat is. And if you've been to any of our Virtual Blythe Retreats, let me know down in the comment section below. Thanks for joining me. I'll have a great day. This is Terry Jeanette with Be Creative, signing out for now. Bye-bye.